Good morning. Shane is officially starting our little drink station side table project. It's about, what is it, like 11?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna show you guys what he is starting out with. Outside today, very gloomy, and this is how spoiled our pups are. Under the awning and on cushions, because he doesn't want to be under the rain. Oh, there's the other one. Alright, so Shane just got done. Can you pause the music? So Shane just got done cutting. Hey, stop it, dude. What are these? These are like the 1x3 pieces of oak, right?
Correct.
Yeah, so we got, how many did we end up picking
11.
up? So we picked up 11 of these from Home Depot for like $1.85 each. So Shane, as you can see over there, that's how big they are. He is cutting them in halves. Is that what you're doing, halves or thirds? So he's cutting them in halves. Cutting all 11 of them into halves, so they are each 4 feet long. And he said it's gonna stand about 3 feet tall. And we're just laying it out, kind of get the structure of it. What are those long ones, Shane? Are those 2x4s? Those are, oh yeah, 2x4 legs, so we'll keep you updated. All right, Shane ended up cutting the 2x4s. Is that what you did? Yeah, you ended up cutting them in halves too?
33 3/8.
Hey, duds. Whatever that means. And then he just nailed them. Is that nailed?
Screwed them.
I don't know anything about this. He just screwed these 1x3s into the 2x, what is it, a 2x4? 2x6?
Yep, using
2x4.
spacers.
Okay, and he
2x4
used spacers that he cut out of the 2x4s too. So that's how he got the alignment up. Is this the front or the back of the table?
That'll be the front.
All right, so this is what the front of the table is going to look like. Not sure if I want to paint it yet or not. I think I might. I'm thinking about painting the stand white and then leaving the top wood finish. All right, so what's next? What's next on the list?
Do the other one.
The other what?
Do the back side of it.
Oh, the back side, which is up there next to Dudley.
And then putting the supports in between the two.
So kind of like the middle of the table. Okay, that'll be next. All right, so this is what, I mean, it's not assembled yet. Shane just stood the pallets up together, and this is the top we're gonna end up using for it. We honestly don't know what type of wood this is, do we? No. It was just...
It's a 2x12.
2x12 of what? I don't know, whatever you want. You obviously don't have to use wood for your top. You can use like those little cement blocks like that inspiration pick that I showed y'all was. This was just left over in our house from the previous owners, so we're gonna use that. I am gonna have a little bit of an overhang in my design, if you can see. It's just gonna, oh God, oops. It's just gonna have a little bit of an overhang right here, and then I'm gonna, like, we're gonna, I don't know, like have 2 inches hang off the sides too, so far so good. So Shane is outside cutting the supports that are going to go in between those 2 pallets that I was showing y'all. He's cutting those right now, and once he is finished with that, and is gonna start to assemble it, I will take you guys outside and show you how he does that, because I kind of want to show you guys how he's, you know, assembling it, as well as aside from just the finished product. I'm not gonna take you outside to show him how he's cutting it, because it's super loud and it's honestly pretty annoying, and I'm so tired of hearing it because it's been going off all day for like weekends in a row, because we're always doing some sort of DIY at the house. But yeah, so he's cutting that right now. Once he's done, I'll take you out there and show you how he's going to put the supports in the middle, and then he's gonna lay the top on top. I'm not sure what we're gonna put it down with. Shane always thinks the solution is liquid nails. I mean, it's not a bad idea, but here in Houston, it's just, for example, today it has rained all freaking day and night. So the moisture and that increases the humidity. It just doesn't allow the liquid nails to hold anything because it's just so moist here all the time. So I think we're going to just actually end up like nailing it into place and doing it that way. So we'll keep you updated. Shane is putting in the spacers. Is that what we're calling these? Spacers right now. It's just, what are the inches of those? What's the dimension?
4-inch blocks in between them.
4-inch blocks in between each pallet. Are you gonna have them like going up like a ladder, or no, just put 2 of them in?
It'll be top and bottom.
Okay, so he's just gonna put 2 of them in. I guess if you wanted to kind of give it that, make it look like a ladder and put multiples in there, you could. So like I said, he's just putting them in between the pallets and screwing them in. So I know it looks like we ended up painting this palette white, but we didn't. Okay, I just had to pause the video real quick because do you see that cockroach in the bottom right corner? I hate the South sometimes. Like exterior enamel coat on it. It's actually really... Shane's pulling my car in the garage right now. It is this Monarch Imperial exterior enamel. It is in a white shade, but I mean, I can easily paint over it black if I wanted to. So, yeah. Cross the borders between the never and the night. I gotta turn that down. Hands like houses, everybody. Kick ass. Check them out. So. Can't tell, we obviously have decided to go with painting the table white instead of black. I wanted to use chalk paint, but Shane told me no. I don't really think he knows what it is. I also don't think he wanted to spend more money on paint, so we're just using this white paint that we bought for the house, right?
Yep, marshmallow white.
Marshmallow white. We really like that color. It's by Behr, I think. So he is painting the outside as well as the inside as much as he can. And then, oop, you're in the way. We're gonna stain, there's the top over there. So we're gonna stain that, I don't know, that might be just fine the way it is. I was thinking about staining it darker, but I actually think I like that. So we're gonna let that dry. I think we're gonna put a protective coat on it too, are we, or no? Yeah, so we'll put a protective coat on top once that dries, and then protective coat on the top, and we should be finished here shortly. We are now in the finishing process of this project. I am working on putting a protective coat on the bottom half of this table, just using this Rust-Oleum protective coat. It's actually for our cabinets, but I mean, it still works. And then Shane is putting what is it? A seal? Shane's using this Helsman, whatever it is, outdoor protectant for the wood. And it'll give it kind of just a hint of a darker shade. All right, Shane is screwing in the nails to hold the countertop in place, and he is going in from the bottom side instead of screwing them down through the top. I'm not really sure the reasoning. I think it's just aesthetics. I don't think he wants to see the nails from the top, but also if the nails are screwed in from the top, that just allows space for water to go through into the wood. So trying to avoid that since it rains so much here in Houston. So yeah. All right, y'all, she is finished and she is beautiful. Let's see if I can move this chair. There we go. How gorgeous. So we obviously went with the white color. And I will show you guys what it looks like completed. I mean, it's completed now, but once I have it fully decorated and everything for 4th of July. So I just want to say thanks so much for watching this, and we'll see you in the next one.